Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to try to get the Oracle Lighting spare tire LED third brake light to see if we can make it compatible for the Bronco, so stay tuned.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
As of right now, I am not aware of Oracle making a spare tire brake light for the Bronco, so I thought it would be a good test to see if we can make this bracket, bend it, do whatever we need to do to make it compatible for the Bronco. So if you guys are looking for something like this, then you can go ahead and get it. To get started, there's a couple obvious things you have to do, and that's, for me, take off my license plate and take off this spare tire, so let's get working. I can't get it. Oh man, I think I just threw my back out again. Only this time it was this side. Take 2 or 3 or 4. What? Why is that so easy?
Because you got 3 times the leverage. Because you got the right tool.
Now what do I do with it?
Put it down like a normal person.
For real.
Yeah, you're right.
Take it. You can see here that the bracket clears the camera. Now I need to check the wheel to see if it's going to clear the offset. Now this is where it's going to be important for you because you may not have the same wheels that I have, but it looks like we're good here. So make sure you test it within your wheel to make sure it clears before doing what I'm getting ready to do to install the bracket. The kit comes with self-tapping screws. This is plastic, but behind it there is a metal plate, so it's going to make putting these screws in just a little bit more difficult. I already exposed the brake light wiring. Now I'm going to connect this brake light to this wiring. Once you get the quick connects on, you're going to wire up the red to the yellow and then the black to the green and black. All right. Got everything connected. Now it's time to make sure that it's all wired correctly. The kit does come with some zip ties. Since this wire is a little loose, I'm going to go ahead and just connect this because I don't like having loose wires dangling. I think we're ready to put the spare tire back on and put everything back together. I'm at Poppy's house, and since I just put this on, I really don't want to break it, and we saw how great of a job I did taking it off. So, you gonna do it or are you gonna help me?
I'm gonna help you.
Okay.
All right.
Here we go.
We'll get on that side.
I don't know how much of a help I was, but all right. Now before I put my license plate back on, I want to show you what the brake light looks like because my license plate's going to cover about half of this. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with the wheel on. Well, that was actually really easy to install. I think it has a lot to do with what kind of wheel you have. I don't have any stock wheels to compare if this is going to work with a stock Bronco wheel. However, with my RTRs, it works perfect. The bracket does fit around the camera, which would be a concern. So overall, I think as long as the offset of your wheel is going to clear the whole brake light, then I think you're going to be good to go. Super easy to do, but I do like the looks of it. Just gives it some more character. And then especially if you do have bigger wheels that are covering up this third brake light or you removed it completely, you could just use that for your third brake light. And be sure to like and subscribe, consider becoming a YouTube channel member, or leave a super thanks at the end of this video. But until next time, buckle up, Buttercup.